In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord stream paused problem. If your Discord stream keeps getting paused, starts lagging, or disappears while you're sharing your screen, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can happen for a variety of reasons, including certain streaming settings inside Discord. In this tutorial, I'll show you a couple of simple settings you can adjust that may help restore smooth streaming performance and prevent your stream from pausing unexpectedly. To get started, open the Discord desktop application on your computer. Once Discord is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the window, where you'll see your profile section. Next to your username is a gear icon. Click this gear icon to open User Settings, where you'll find all of Discord's audio, video, and performance options. After entering User Settings, scroll down through the menu on the left until you find Voice and Video. Click on it to open the available voice and streaming settings. By default, you'll usually be viewing the voice-related options, so continue scrolling until you reach the video and streaming section. As you scroll down, look for the setting called Stream Attenuation. This feature controls how Discord adjusts audio levels while you're streaming. On some computers, this setting can contribute to streaming problems, including lag or streams that appear to pause unexpectedly. When you find Stream Attenuation, try turning the setting off if it's currently enabled. If it's already disabled, you can also try enabling it to see whether it improves your specific setup. Since different computers and hardware configurations behave differently, testing both options is the best way to determine which setting provides the smoothest streaming experience. After changing the stream attenuation setting, start another screen share or live stream and check whether the issue has improved. Give the stream a few minutes to run so you can accurately judge whether the pausing or lagging has stopped. If the problem continues, return to the voice and video settings and locate the video hardware acceleration option. Disable this feature and allow Discord to apply the change if prompted. Hardware acceleration is designed to improve performance by using your graphics processor, but on some systems it can have the opposite effect and cause streaming issues, especially if there are compatibility problems with your graphics hardware or drivers. Once you've disabled hardware acceleration, test your Discord stream again. In many cases, turning off one or both of these settings is enough to stop streams from pausing, lagging, or disappearing unexpectedly. That's all there is to it. These simple adjustments can often resolve Discord streaming problems without requiring any complicated troubleshooting. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,